Hello guys, alright, so for today's video, for tonight's video, dahil kagabi naman ron. It's January 15, yes, it's January 15, 2026, so I am just getting ready with my gears for tomorrow's event kay nami school trip with the students and teachers. So, I'll be accompanying a group of students at the same time. Gitagan sa kong task, no? Take some photos or maybe videos, but mainly photos for documentation purposes only. But you cannot see those photos to be posted online since it is not allowed to be posted on social media. So it's for keeps only. For, how do you call the one? Yeah, for documentation purposes of the school. So, bawal siya i-post. Though sometimes I posted photos on my Facebook page, this page actually. So, yeah, mo na siya. So, I also found out dito na kita lang ako akong microphone, old microphone man niya, wireless microphone nga pwede siya gamitin sa the camera. So I tested it out if okay pa ba siya, if it still work well, kay if magamit pa siya ato siyang gamitan, why not, diba? Like what? Ano na, record the video, istorya and then pawa sa kalay. So that's all. Gatesting na ko aning microphone actually, and also with the new my old lens way back dito sa Pilipinas. Ako siyang gidala dere. Kay alam magamit siya sa nako, though dili kay siya nako magamit kanunay sometimes when there is a school event o ngay mga school like kanang mahitabo og mga school trips, so or field trips. So that's it. Thankful ta ani nga natang dapita, no, nang nangamuti ta dring dapita. So mura to, I am just testing out this video, wireless microphone, because I'm planning to buy the DJI, pero mahal kaayo, no? So ako lang gi-testingan if okay. Kay gaplano lagi ko nga mopalit microphone, wireless microphone for the camera for video recording purposes. Kay basin ay madawat aning vlog basin na pod, no? And anyway, if wala pa ka follow sa to ang Facebook page or ni Rookie Ko, please follow. Thank you. Bye-bye.